Today, officials said recent reports of water use being up are very concerning, especially for the health of the Great Salt Lake. News specialist Shelby Lofton takes us up in Chopper 5 to explain the outlook for the lake this summer.
This view from the Great Salt Lake Causeway may look the same as it has in previous years, but officials say this could be a really tough summer for this body of water.
We're continuing to look at what we can do to get more water to the lake.
With a dry and hot summer ahead, officials warn Utahns they need to scale back on their water use.
Because the ground was a little drier than it's been the past couple of years, a lot of that snow melt has gone directly in to recharge the aquifers, which is important, but less of that has gone to the lakes.
Great Salt Lake Commissioner Brian Steed says the lake is lower than they'd like it to be this time of year. He says it crested early and is now down half a foot, something they're carefully monitoring.
We live within our own choose your own adventure when it comes to the lake. How we use water will impact lake levels.
A recent report that water use is up is concerning.
We are, both for indoor water use and outdoor water use, are above our 3-year average.
We're going to have to change behaviors in the state.
Salt Lake City Public Utilities wants to help.
Turn off the faucet when you're washing your hands, when you're brushing your teeth, when you're shaving.
Water Conservation Manager Stephanie Dewar says it's likely a lot of people are overwatering outside.
Get a long screwdriver, 6 to 8 inches, ideal, and plunge it into your lawn in a couple of different places. Basically, how far down it goes easily is where your water depth is.
She says we're still cooling down at night, so we don't need to overdo it.
Whatever your watering schedule is, wait a day to water.
Governor Spencer Cox says we need to be extra careful this month.
It's okay to have a yellow lawn.
The less water we use at home, the more that can go back to the lake.
Every time we withdraw water from a stream, we're diverting it, redirecting it from immediate movement towards the lake. So be thoughtful to that.
Officials are also taking a look at some of the species that live in and around the Great Salt Lake and how the lower lake levels impact those. They told me they expect to have results from those surveys soon. At the Great Salt Lake, Shelby Lofton, KSL 5 News.